Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share this beautiful beaded bag charm I made. It looks intricate, but it's actually quite easy to create. Let's dive right in and see the materials you'll need. 4mm crystal beads, lobster claw clasp, extender chain, 0.30mm nylon thread. Start by picking up 9 beads. Then skip the 8th bead and pass your needle through the 9th bead again to crisscross the thread, bringing it down to the center to form the foundation of your charm. Pick up 4 beads and skip 3. Pass the wire through the 4th bead in a crisscross pattern. This starts the first section of the upper design. Pass one side of the wire through a base bead. Next, pick up 3 beads, skip 2, and pass the wire through the 3rd bead to crisscross. Repeat this process until you reach the very last bead. Pass your wire through the final base bead and the upper bead from the side. Then, pick up 2 beads, skip 1, and pass the wire through the 2nd bead in a crisscross pattern to complete the first section. Pick up 3 beads, skip 2, and pass the wire through the 3rd bead to crisscross. Pass your wire through the upper bead from the previous section, then pick up 2 beads, skip 1, and crisscross through the 2nd bead. Repeat this until you reach the very last bead. To finish this layer, pass your needle through the last bead of the lower section and the side bead of the upper section. Then, pick up 1 bead and crisscross through it to complete the second layer. To secure it, pass one end of the wire through a few beads to hide it and then trim the excess so only one thread remains on the side. With both parts of your charm ready, focus on the upper border beads. Pass your needle through one of these upper beads, then pick up a new bead and pass the needle through the corresponding upper bead on the other section to crisscross. Continue this process, adding 1 bead between each pair of upper beads all the way around to securely join both sides. To finish, secure the lobster clasp to the extender chain. Pass your needle through the chain and the upper bead, picking up one last bead to connect them. Go through the chain and nearby beads multiple times to ensure the attachment is secure and strong. Tie a secure knot. Then add a few additional knots for extra safety before trimming off the remaining thread. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love how this charming beaded design turned out as much as I do. If you have any questions at all, please drop them in the comments below. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video with more crafty inspiration. Bye for now.